2019 new water heater 30 gallon。再加了一个 cold water line， 这个开关 valve， 把它 turn 90 degree 就 shut off。这是 cold water， 另外一个是 hot water， 这是 extension tank。这个上面和下面都是120度。这是 release valve。他说 every year， 把这个 garden hose 拧上，就把热水 flush 20 minutes。Turn this one, turn 90 degree。这是个 ball valve， 就打开，把热水排出去，排20分钟大概。然后关的就可以，不需要关冷水，也不需要关电，就把热水放出去就可以。然后每年也 turn this is vertical, right? Turn it this way, pull it up, release the pressure, pull it down. Every year one time, pull it up, put it down, it will jump one time, but that's okay. Just one time, that's it. So when water heater tank leak, it's okay, it will leak outside, but if you turn the main water off when you are not at home, you have an empty tank, it may cause explosion or something. So if you turn the water off, you need also turn the electricity off. So probably not, no need to turn the water off. Okay, that's it. So flush, just flush 20 minutes without electricity or water off.